Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your Node-RED flow backups with editor snapshots, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup your Node-RED flow backups using editor snapshots, first, open your Node-RED editor in a web browser. Locate the menu button in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the menu button to expand the options. From the menu, select the Manage Palette option. In the Palette Management section, navigate to the Settings tab. Here, you will find various options related to your Node-RED setup. Look for the option labeled Editor Settings and click on it. Scroll down until you find Editor Snapshots. This feature allows you to create snapshots of your current flow. To create a snapshot, click the Take Snapshot button. Once you click it, a dialog box will appear prompting you to confirm. Review your flows to ensure everything is correct, and confirm the action. Your snapshot is now saved and can be accessed later. To restore a snapshot, return to the Editor Snapshots section. Select the snapshot you wish to restore from the list. Click the Restore button next to the selected snapshot. Confirm your choice in the dialog box that appears. Wait for the restoration process to complete. Once done, your flows will reflect the state of the chosen snapshot. You can repeat this process whenever necessary, creating multiple snapshots as you make changes. Consider naming your snapshots logically for easier identification in the future. Regular backups are essential for preventing loss of data. Make it a practice to snapshot your flows before making significant changes. This ensures you can always revert back if necessary. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your Node-RED flow backups with editor snapshots. Keep your application safe and reliable by utilizing this snapshot feature regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.